Oh my goodness. Hello? Hey, it's me, Lily.
What's up, Lily?
Nothing. But here's the house. I was just on this website, zodiacgirls.com. Turns out we all have superpowers.
Now, what makes you think we're classified as superheroes?
Well, the website said there's this thing called Let Ink Tell Your Fortune. And Ink said, I was like, do we all have superpowers? And Ink was like, the sources say yes.
So we really do? What are we gonna do?
I'm not really sure. I think we should find them out. Here, you call Gothika, and I'll call Larry.
Hello?
Hey, Larry Bear. It's Lily.
Hey, what's up?
Guess what? We all have superpowers. I'm not going to explain it right now, but I will later at school, alright?
Superpowers? But, okay, fine.
I will, but I have a hunch we're all going to have to search for them sometime soon.
Oh, okay, well, love ya, see you then.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what?
Hey, it's Butch.
Oh, hi. What's up?
Well, according to Lily, we have superpowers.
Wow, well, Lily's a fucktard.
Yeah, I know she is most of the time, but now she's not even kidding.
Uh-huh. Bullshit.
Alright, well, I'll be seeing you later, Gothika. We'll talk about it during school.
Okay, whatever. If I even, feel like going to school tomorrow, whatever.
No. It says, lift your hand and say, invisible. Whoa, it worked! That's so cool. I'm gonna look some more stuff up. If Invisiblock got me invisible, to get uninvisible would be if I said, Albizivni. I'm back. I gotta call the girls.
So, you know how I called you last night?
What was that?
Okay, well, yeah, Lily called me and she was like, hey, I have superpowers. And I thought it over, and how ridiculous is she?
Guys, look what I can do. Invisible! Look, guys, see? I'm invisible. See? That's disgusting.
Where is she coming from?
I'm right in front of your face.
Okay, this has got to be some kind of special effects type thing. Okay, that's just stupid, okay? How did you do that?
Yeah, stop the nonsense. Seriously.
Guys, it's so easy. I can't believe you can't do it.
Okay, stop. What? Okay, you have to tell me. How did you do this? Please, share
Here.
with me.
Watch this. Albizivni.
You freak! How did you do that?
Okay, no, this is weird. This is weird.
It's not weird.
Put on your glasses. There's something wrong.
Wait. Could it have been from what you discovered last night?
Okay, well, listen to yourself. Superpowers.
Guys, you don't even know.
I obviously don't.
We know, actually. And may I ask you, how do you think you know this?
Know what? Know about my powers? Guys, I can do it. I'm sure you'll find your powers very soon.
She's so full of shit.
No, she is not.
What?
Did you
Did
just...
I say something?
Yeah? You just said she's so full of shit.
I'm not full of shit.
She just said that.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
No, I didn't.
I heard her.
I
Your
thought
superpower.
She thought it.
It's your superpower.
I don't believe in it.
You can read her mind.
Really? Think of something.
Okay.
Are you laughing at me?
How did you know that? I told you. She has a superpower.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is way too weird. I need my meds. I'm. Where's Larry?
Guys, you know what? You guys are being ridiculous. I'm gonna go search for her. Invisible. Bye.
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 Guys. Sacrifice? He's committing suicide.
What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. I'm reading the Franklin template.
Uh-huh.
Where's Lily?
I don't know. She ran off to find you.
Guys, I'm right here. I'm right next to her.
Oh, hey Lily, what's up?
Ow! Bitch.
So, how do you like being invisible?
I guess being invisible is okay. It's not much of a difference. I kind of am invisible.
If I kicked you, would you feel it?
Ow! That really hurt. Get away from me, you freak.
Jeez, I didn't even kick you that hard.
Yeah, you did. Doo-doo-doo. Larry?
Larry?
I just had a vision.
A what?
Larry, come on.
Lily's not gonna be able to become uninvisible.
What are you talking about?
You were trying to do that spelly thingy that you were doing before, and it was like you were saying it over and over, and it wouldn't work because you stayed like, I don't know, invisible too long.
Okay, Larry, you're scaring me. Are you okay? Like, are you feeling okay? Is it that time of month?
No, I think she's discovered her superpower too.
What's your superpower?
Future.
What is this?
Hold on, let me try this out. Alivisny. Alivisny.
No, Lily, really try.
Alivisny, Alivisny, Alivisny. My hands are high. I can't do this. I can't do this. Oh my god.
Lily, breathe. Okay, breathe.
Alivisny.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Lily. There's gotta be another way you can turn yourself back.
There is. We have to go on zodiacgirls.com.
Let's do it.
Come on, we really need to figure this out.
I'm trying. I'm really.
Stop pacing. Ouch!
I'm sorry.
Have you drank the poly juice?
No.
Okay, well, then that's the only thing you need to do. So let's just go make some poly juice. I can see you.
What happens?
Let's go make the potion.
Wait, so you fade in and out?